Tesla stock is showing a very strong reaction today as it is about to reject its top signal from yesterday. Honestly, this is not a big surprise because this is what Tesla has been doing lately, rejecting all top signals, breaking all resistance levels, and it is flying like a rocket. So in this video, I will explain two things. First, why Tesla is so incredibly bullish and it is heading towards the next resistance level around $300. Second, what is needed to trigger a pullback or a reversal on it. So stick with me because this video is going to be interesting. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our analysis looking at Tesla's daily chart. Here on the daily chart, we see a crystal clear bull trend. Tesla is doing nothing but higher highs, higher lows. Oh Nathan, what if we see a top signal over here? If we see a top signal triggered, then okay, maybe Tesla is gonna trigger a pullback. If it triggers a pullback, there are multiple support levels to work with. First, we see the $237, the previous top level from November 2022. Second, we see the 21 MA on the daily chart, which is right now above the $217, this red line over here, which is another very important support level. And most important of all, this key point was a crystal clear bullish pivot point on the weekly chart. As we can see over here on the weekly chart, Tesla did a higher high, higher low, a classic bullish reversal structure. So okay, below this support level, we see the $208 over here, this black line. So there are multiple mid-term support levels to work with if Tesla actually triggers a top signal, if it actually triggers a pullback over here. And remember, pullbacks in a bull trend are nothing but buying opportunities. We'll see an opportunity to buy near a support level with a very good risk-reward ratio. So any pullback would be nothing but an opportunity to buy, period. Unless if the trend reverses. And right now, do we see any bearish reversal structure on Tesla stock? No, of course not. Only if Tesla actually loses its support levels while following the pattern of lower highs, lower lows, then okay, then Tesla is actually reversing the mid-term bull trend over here as seen on the daily chart. On the 1 hour chart, we see that Tesla is still incredibly bullish, and as far as I know, this correction over here was just a correction to the 21 MA again, and this is it. As long as Tesla keeps doing the pattern of higher highs, higher lows above its short and mid-term support levels, the trend will clearly remain bullish. What's even more interesting is that the broad market is also extremely bullish right now. Some people may say that it is overbought. Well, maybe it is. I'm not gonna disagree with you. However, as long as we don't see any crystal clear top signal on the S&P, on the Nasdaq index, the market, it is not gonna correct. Tesla is not going to correct properly as well, because we could see a correction on Tesla. You know, just like Nvidia. Nvidia over here, after earnings, it went up like a true monster, right? Unstoppable monster. It went up more than, 24% overnight. And then, okay, some people said, oh, so Nvidia right now gotta correct, right? Well, maybe it is going to correct. However, there are two types of correction. There is the price correction, when the price actually drops to meet its support levels like the 21 MA. And also there are the time corrections, when the price just moves sideways, while the 21 MA keeps going up, while it performs an accumulation. If we look at the 1 hour chart over here, Nvidia did nothing but accumulate it. Oh, and by the way, See this bullish pivot point over here? We nailed it. This movement on Nvidia. Nvidia broke every single one of our targets at 405, 419, and right now it is doing a new all-time high. So if you want to trade with me, consider joining our Telegram channel or subscribing to any of my newsletters. The link to my website is right here in the description of this video. Join our services, join our Telegram channel. Now, back to Nvidia. This is what I see for Tesla. If it triggers a correction while the broad market remains its bullish structure over here. What's more, when we analyze the Nasdaq index, it is also just flying. We don't see any crystal clear top signal. It is going up. We don't see any bearish reversal structure. And even if it does a correction, even if it does trigger a pullback, any pullback to the 21 MA would be totally normal and acceptable. Therefore, this is why I'm telling you guys, the broad market is still very bullish. Even considering the possibility of a correction, the bullish bias will maintain. And the same logic is applicable on Tesla stock. We see many support levels. Any pullback to one of its support levels would be nothing but an opportunity to buy. And since we are talking about a bull trend, as far as I know, Tesla is just heading towards its next resistance level around $314 over here, this green line. What's more, if we take a look at the weekly chart over here, there are two major targets. First, the $314. Second, the all-time high at 416. Since Tesla just triggered this bullish flag chart pattern on the weekly chart, its next technical target is the all-time high, 416, which is the size of the pole projected in the direction of the breakout, a very technical target, which, coincidence or not, is the all-time high. See how technical analysis works amazingly well on Tesla stock? Tesla is one of the best stocks to trade. It follows the principles of TA with an astonishing precision. Now, you may use a different measure. You may use the measure from the bottom over here to the next target, which is also the resistance level at $314. So either way, we see two targets for Tesla. The first one is this red line, $314. The second one is $416 over here. In my humble opinion, Tesla is going to seek the all-time high again. Of course, pullbacks are gonna occur because we are not gonna fly in a straight line, okay? I don't believe this is going to happen. However, pullbacks would be nothing but buying opportunities. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. And this is why you should subscribe if you're not my subscriber yet, because you have been watching this Brazilian guy talking about Tesla stock for almost 10 minutes right now. Dude, come on. Subscribe this channel, click on the like button as well to support me. I really appreciate your support, your audience, my dear friends. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.